guys, what is going on? Back with another video, and if you guys don't know me by now, I am ThatOrangeGT, and today is actually a pretty good day outside. If you guys can see that, it's overcast, but it's not, you know, raining or anything. It's not supposed to rain for the next couple of days, so today I hopped in my 22 Mustang GT, and I'm gonna head over to the self-service car wash that we have in our area. I'm gonna show you guys how I use the self-service car wash. If you guys don't have a garage and you guys don't have, you know, a place to wash your car, this is a fantastic place to do it if you guys have it in your area. So hopefully the tips I'm gonna give you over there, you guys can use at your area so you guys can wash your car the best way possible. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the car and I'll meet you guys at the car wash. Just made it over to the wash. As you guys can see, it is super busy over here for some reason. I have no idea why, but that being aside, I have all my stuff that I brought over here. So I have my wheel cleaner, my tire shine, I have some wax, and I have a lot of different rags. And I think rags are super important just in case something happens to someone, you always have a backup. But that being said, the first thing I normally like doing is starting with the wheels and making sure that they're prepped. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, and I'm gonna show you guys my process. So this is what I use on my wheels. However, I'm not gonna really do a shout out on them because it's not really the greatest product out there. There is a ton better. However, this gets the job done, and what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I use it. So you just sprinkle it on the wheel and just make sure it's fully covered. Make sure you get the inside as well. And with that being done, you just head on to the next wheel. And you just repeat the process on all the sides. So now with the wheel cleaner on there, we can go ahead and start the wash. I don't have a camera mount to show you guys the whole wash process. However, I'm just gonna talk to you guys after. And as you guys can see, the wheel cleaner pretty much did all the work. I just sprayed it off and now it's super clean. But that being said, I'm just gonna use this product I have here to finish off drying the car. Here, so it's just a spray wax. You spray it on the wet car and it'll help you dry the car. And again, you just be generous with it. And I like using it on the glass too because it helps the water fly right off of it, which is super nice. Yep, but I think I got the whole car. I mean, if you guys are watching this, you probably don't even have to listen to me tell you never use this brush because look how disgusting this is. If you use that on your paint, say goodbye to your clear coat. It's gonna look like crap. But that being said, if you absolutely need to use it on your wheels because there's a ton of mud or something, it's not the end of the world. So with the wax being on, I'm just gonna grab 2 clean towels. I'm gonna use these to dry the car. So just finished up with the wash. Gonna do a quick walk around the car to show you guys it's super clean. However, I did notice one thing. So before I head out, I'm gonna go ahead and stop off at the store for this part because this is just dangling now. It's held on by a couple clips and 3M tape, but the 3M tape that's included with these RTR side splitters are sort of cheap. So I'm gonna go stop off at the store before I end this vlog and see if I can fix this issue. Hope you guys liked that little video I made for the car wash. If you guys wanna see a more in-depth review of what I use and how exactly I use my products, I can definitely make that video in the future. As of now, I am going to head over to probably the nearest Lowe's to see if I can find some extra double-sided tape that's stronger than the tape that they include with the RTR kit, as that is some garbage tape and it just comes off after maybe like a couple weeks. I honestly knew that was gonna happen and I expected it to happen, but I didn't expect it to happen so soon. So I'm gonna try to get that resolved as of now. I made it out of that Home Depot and it is super busy in this parking lot. I was absolutely not expecting this. However, it was successful. I got the 3M double-sided tape and I got a thicker one than provided. I'm gonna show you guys how skinny the one that they gave you is. and that's probably why it's not holding as well. So I got a thicker one, and this is actually stronger. It supposedly can hold up to 30 pounds, so should be able to hold these very light side skirts very easily. But when we get back, I'm gonna try to put these on, and hopefully it'll fix the problem. All right, guys, now time for the moment of truth. Just cleaned up the area with just some soap and water, just to hopefully get, you know, it to stick better. So let's see what happens. Side note, these packets to open up are always a pain. They just have to rip open the backside just so aggressively. But finally got it out, so let's see if this thing works. Just finished up with that install, and as you can see, it totally fixed the issue, so I'm super happy. And I actually just go ahead and did the whole thing, all the way from the front through the back. And I actually did the passenger side as well, so hopefully it never happens again. That install being done, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you guys fully watched the video and you guys liked what you saw, please make sure you go ahead and hit that like button down below, as well as subscribe to my channel for future updates. I have been putting up videos pretty recently lately, probably every other day, but I am going to be trying to keep that on track. So if you guys want to keep seeing videos from me, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Not only will it mean a lot to me, it means that you guys want to keep seeing my videos. So with that being said, I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.